Do you want to know how to schedule a Facebook post? Then this video is for you. Hello, I'm Sophie, Millionaire Mum, and I bring you the tools, the courses, and the mindset that you need to make success online. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do so and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss a video every time I upload one. Now, if you're watching this video, it's that you want to find out how to schedule a Facebook post. You can only schedule a post on a Facebook business page or in a Facebook group, but it's very easy. I will show you exactly what you need to do. Let's go.
So here's what you need to do. You obviously need to go to Facebook, right? And then I'll show you how it's done in the group first. So you select a group, the group where you want to schedule the post, right? So I'll select my group here. Now, please make sure you watch this tutorial until the end because it's a bit trickier on your business page, okay? So just make sure you bear with me so I can show you exactly how to do it. In a group, it's very, very easy, okay? You basically just select the post, create a post, you just write your post, okay? You can select a picture if you like, you know, just like you would for any ordinary post. Then the only difference is instead of clicking here post, you need to click here schedule post. You choose a date and you choose a time, and then you click here schedule. Okay, it's as easy as this. I'm not going to do it now for myself, but you can schedule one post or 7, 10 posts until next month, whatever. It's a massive time saver. It's great. Honestly, it's really great. Now I am going to go into my business page. As I say, this is a little trickier, so bear with me. So my pages are here. So I've got my Facebook Millionaire Mum business page. So what happens here is you click here, create post, right? What happens here is you don't have the option to create the post and schedule it in here. What you need to do is click here, publishing tools, okay? Now, once you click here, it takes quite a bit of time to load, so I've loaded it already here. This is what you are going to have, okay? This is somehow the publishing side of the business, of business pages. So here you click create post. So what you need to do is you scroll down here, and this is where you write your post, okay? So you write your post. If you want to add a picture, click here. If you want to add a video, click here, and you know, that's all you need to do. You can add your feeling, activity, whatever you want to do for the post. Then I'm just going to move my picture. Then here what you need to do is click on this little arrow, and there you go. Now you have the option to schedule the post. So again, you choose a date, you choose a time, and then you hit this schedule. Okay, it's really as easy as this. And that's it. That is how it's done.
So that was easy, wasn't it? I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell. That way, every time I upload a new video, you get notified. Now, scheduling Facebook posts is very, very valuable if you are making money online using Facebook, right? Facebook marketing is very, very powerful. I made another video about this. You can get free leads quite easily. You can make sales, you can grow a group, you can do all sorts of things with Facebook. But the thing is, you don't want to have to be on Facebook all the time. So the more you can schedule things, the better. I definitely make use of the scheduling option, especially for posts in my group. Sometimes when I'm really organized, I schedule my posts for a whole week ahead. It's really amazing because when you've done that, then you can just, you know that the post will be scheduled. You don't have to worry about it, and you can use your time to do other things in your business. There are quite a few things you can automate on Facebook. If you're interested in certain tools, just make sure you check my videos on Facebook automation. There should be a link just there. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any other questions about Facebook in particular, check out my Facebook playlist. And if you don't find the answer in my Facebook playlist, just drop a comment below with your question. I'll research it and I'll make a video with the answer, especially for you. Thank you again so much for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.